Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to review and unboxing Fab bag in the month of July 2020. So after a long time I have subscribed for this Fab bag, and there are so many reasons that why I subscribed this month. First of all, just look at the pouch guys, how pretty the pouch is looking. It is transparent and it is also colorful and it looks so pretty, so beautiful. I'm just showing you the pouch, and the quality of the pouch is just awesome. Just look at the pouch. It is a perfect pouch for this monsoon season, I think, and it is also written here as glimpse and glamour. So yeah, it's very pretty. So this month you will get two products from Sugar Cosmetics, and this two product is a common product for each and everyone. Even if you are subscribing it for 1 month also, still you will get this two product, and for 1 month subscription the price is 599 rupees. I will put the Fab bag link in my description box, so please go and check it out. So the first product of this month is a very useful product, and it is a mask. As you can see it, face mask, and it is from Sugar Cosmetics. Here you will also get the logo of Sugar Cosmetics. मेरे पास ऐसा एक सेम मास्क ऑलरेडी है, एंड आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम फ्री फ्रॉम Sugar Cosmetics वेबसाइट. मैंने कुछ ऑर्डर किया था, उसके साथ फ्री में आया था. सो आई ऑलरेडी हैव वन, एंड दिस इज द सेकेंड वन विच आई गॉट ऑन Fab bag. Actually the quality of this mask is just wonderful. It is made up of pure 100% cotton, and it's very comfortable whenever you are going to wear it. You will know, and here you will also see the logo of Sugar Cosmetics, which looks really fab. So yes, this is the first product, and it is retail for 99 rupees. It's a full size product. So move on to the next product. Next which I have got is Twak Pink Clay Purifying Face Masks. So I have used few products from this particular brand, and I really like the brand, and this product is basically not a full size product, so you will get 25 gram of product, and it is retail for rupees 150. And this is a pink clay mask, and this is basically for acne prone skin, and if you want to detan your face, if you want to detox your face, this is a particular face mask which you can use it. And the ingredients list I have already read out, so it is a natural brand, but I think the quantity is very less as it is a sample size product. So yes, you can use it up to 2 or 3 times, not more than that, but yeah, it's a good mask. So moving on to the next product. Next one which I got is the Nature's Co Tea Tree Hair Nourishing Cream, and it is a full size product. It is retail for rupees 225, and it contains 50 ml of product, and this is how the product looks like. So it smells very good. It is again a natural product, and it is also cruelty free as well. I have used it, and it smells very natural, very medicated kind of smell. Its smells is quite similar with ST Botanica shampoo which I am using currently, and it is a cream texture. It has a creamy texture, so you need to use it on your damp hair after washing your hair, and I feel it gives a very freshness, and also its fragrance is really very relaxing and smoothing. So yeah, I love this one. So the next two product is from Sugar Cosmetics, and as I have said that these two products are common products, so you will also get this product. First one is their Uptown Curl Light Lengthening Mini Mascara. So yes, this is how the mini mascara looks like, and the shade is Black Beauty, and it retail for 299 rupees. And today I have wear it on my eyes, on my eyelashes. As you can see it really gives a good curl to my lashes, and it looks very cute and very pretty. It's very travel friendly. You can carry it anywhere you want, and it is also a Sugar. As you know that Sugar is a cruelty free brand, and it's one of my most favorite brand. I just love each and every products from Sugar Cosmetics, and this one, after you open this product, you will get 6 months of shelf life to use this one. And the another product is their Sugar Wingman Waterproof Micro Eyeliner, or you can say it as a sketch eyeliner. Here also the shade is black, and you will get full size of product, and it's retail for 499 rupees. So yeah, this is how the product looks like. I have already unboxed it, and also I am wearing it today on my eye. As you can see it, I have done a wing eyeliner with this product. This looks really very good. The eyeliner is so good. Its tip is basically very sharp, as you can see it, so you will not feel any difficulty when you are going to apply it. It has it color is jet black color, and it's very smooth and very pigmented, as you can see it. It dries out very quickly after applying it on your eyes, and once it gets dried out completely, it will not smudge. It is also waterproof and smudge proof both. So yes, I'm just showing you. It already dried up in just 3 to 4 seconds, and after that it is totally smudge proof. So yes, I absolutely love this sketch eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics. And the last product is again a common product. You will also get the same. It is a sheet mask from the brand Mons Up. It is basically avocado nourishing and tendering facial sheet mask, and this one is retail for 250 rupees. Okay, so this one is very costly. I think for a sheet mask 250 rupees is definitely costly, because I never used any sheet mask more than 100 rupees. So yes, for me, I am very much excited to try this out, and definitely I will let you know about the feedback of this product in any of my social sites like YouTube or Instagram. So yeah, please check it out. So yes, that's all the product which I got this month Fabbag, and I am highly recommending this subscription box to you. And I think this is the only subscription box which I can trust blindly. I cannot subscribe any other brand, any other box except this Fabbag. This is the only bag which not only provide you the branded products, it also maintains their quality, and the service, everything is really good. So yes, that's all about my today's video. So if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. See you on my next video. Till then, take care, lots of love, and bye bye.